everyone. This is Cindygee. I haven't been visiting on the internet for a while. I think probably a couple of years, actually. I've been very busy. Well, I'm making a pasta salad for my wonderful, beautiful granddaughter. And I'd like to show you some of the ingredients that go into it. Some real pasta. This kind of pasta. I don't know how to pronounce it. Rotini. And then we have some red bell peppers, some cucumbers, some green bell peppers that are already cut up, some artichoke hearts, some black olives. What else is in here? I don't know. Did I miss something? Maybe not. Green and red bell peppers. Then I'm gonna put some salad dressing, some Parmesan cheese, mix it up, put it in the refrigerator, maybe with a little onion and garlic salt, powder, no salt. And then while I'm doing it, I have my little snacky crew. Candy corn. Okay, I think we have to cut it right now. Oh, I forgot again, one more time. I showed you the snack, but it's also the secret ingredient that goes into here. Did you get it going in here? Okay. Bye. So guys, by the way, I forgot some garbanzo peas, better known as chickpeas. That goes into it too. Not sponsored. Okay, until next time, have a good night. One other thing, I forgot about the salad dressing. This Italian dressing, and it's from Olive Garden. Olive Garden? Olive Garden? Olive Garden! Bye, folks.